निष्कासित सांसद संजय सिंह को कांग्रेस सांसद जेबी मैथर का मिला साथ। उन्होंने कहा, आप उन्हें बर्खास्त कर सकते हैं लेकिन उनकी आवाज बंद नहीं कर सकते।
Our MP Sanjay Singh ji is suspended from the Rajya Sabha. They can suspend him, but they cannot stop him from raising the issue. They cannot stop him from being the voice of the people. He is continuing in a sit-in protest in the parliament. This is the third day today, and we all, Team India, stand with him in this time. And we want to make it very clear, why is the Prime Minister not speaking in the parliament? Why is he running away? From the start of this session, we have been asking repeatedly, in one voice we have been asking, such a crisis, such violence, such unprecedented crisis is happening, is continuing in Manipur, but there's total silence on the part of the Prime Minister. If the Prime Minister is not speaking on it, then how will the country know what exactly is happening there? He should take peace into confidence. He should take the countrymen into confidence, which they do not do. Instead, one thing is now very clear. Prime Minister, NDA and the BJP is shaken and jittery, seeing the unity of Team India. That's why they have been coming that too from Prime Minister, statesmen, like comparing with East India Company. Why such names are being dragged in? We are so proud of our name, India. We are proud of our country. We are proud of India. But we are seeing Prime Minister making such statements which is totally unwarranted, and which shows that he himself and the NDA and the BJP is literally shaken, seeing the unity of the opposition. Once again, we want to make it very clear, the rain has come, but even if the rain comes, storm comes, we will continue with our demands. We will continue to ask that Prime Minister should speak in the Parliament, and also a detailed discussion in the Parliament on Manipur. We are also saying that he is the voice of common man. He is the voice of the citizens of the country. What the people of India wants, that has been only raised by Sanjay Singh ji in the Parliament, and he is suspended. His suspension should also be revoked. Rajni Patil ji's suspension should be revoked immediately. At least let there be democracy in our country.